How to upload CapCut videos to TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your CapCut videos to TikTok step by step. But before that, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment below and let us know in the comment section what you enjoyed the most about the video. Now, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your CapCut applications. Then you need to find the video that you want to post to your TikTok. Let's say this is the video that I want. Once you have tapped on the video, and you need to simply click on the export option located in the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on that. Once you have done that, your video will start downloading. After the download is completed, you can see the share to TikTok option right over here. You need to simply tap on that. Then the TikTok will open up itself. And once you have done that, you are now in TikTok. Now you can add the caption that you want over here, and you can simply tap on post over here in order to post the video from CapCut to your TikTok. It's that simple. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded your CapCut video to TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.